You don't need to be rich to travel, you just need a plan. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make $1,000 step by step, even if you're starting from zero, so you can afford your next trip. Hey dreamers! If you've been wanting to travel but feel stuck because of money, this is for you. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. These are real beginner-friendly methods you can start today to hit your $1,000 goal. First, you need a clear target. $1,000 sounds big, but when you break it down, it's not. If you make $50 a day, that's 20 days. If you make $100 a day, that's 10 days. Set a deadline 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 30 days, and treat it like a mission. Before you try to earn more money, look at what you already have. Sell things you don't use like clothes, shoes, old electronics, and furniture on local marketplaces. This alone can get you $200 to $500 quickly if you take it seriously. Now let's talk about fast money using delivery and gig apps. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart can earn you $50 to $150 a day if you grind peak hours. Even doing this for 7 to 10 days can get you halfway to your goal. Work during peak hours like lunch and dinner for maximum earnings. Now let's add online income so you're not just trading time for money. Start on platforms like Fiverr, offering simple services such as writing short reviews, basic graphic design, social media posting, or data entry. Even charging $5 to $20 per task, those small jobs stack up fast. Your goal isn't perfection, it's getting paid. Here's the secret most people miss: don't rely on just one thing. Example: plan 300 from selling items, 500 from delivery apps, and 200 from online work, and boom, you hit 1,000. Once you start making money, don't touch it. Put it in a separate account or label it travel fund. This keeps you focused and stops you from spending it on random stuff. When you hit your goal, book your trip and don't overthink it. That's your reward, you earned it. Making $1,000 for travel isn't about luck. It's about strategy and consistency. If you follow these steps, you can go from broke to booked. If this helped you, subscribe and comment. Where are you traveling to next?